In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bulk update leads in Lemlist. So first log into your Lemlist dashboard. Then next in the left panel, go to campaigns and next is open up the campaign or look for the campaign where the specific leads are located. So in this campaign, for example, click on the three dot icon beside it and click on lead list. So basically, this is where your contacts are stored. Now here, select the leads you want to update, or you can also click on the box at the top to select all. And here, if you click on this and reach drop down button, you'll see options like find phone numbers, find verified emails, and a lot more actions. And here at the bottom, you'll also see other actions that can be applied to these selected leads. For example, you can edit specific fields that will be applied on the leads that you selected. So as you can see, despite selecting two leads, there are actions that are only available for one specific lead. So just choose what you want to update. And if you're updating multiple data fields at once, you can also re-import a CSV file with the updated information. So all you have to do is first export this as a CSV file, then manually update it through Excel, then just re-upload it here with the updated data. Just make sure that the email or unique identifier matches so Lemlist updates the correct records instead of creating duplicates. Thank you for watching this video. Also feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!